601 Franklin. Let's see if we get in here. Smells like a dentist in here because I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Oh. What the hell? I don't know what indicator that is. This one's for sure high up. Huh. What the? Turnbull! Yes! Oh. Through locked. I feel so bad for Ethan. I left before him. Oh, these are such cool buttons. I wonder if I had escalators. No, this is in here. Island maintains this. No phone in here because that's why. Cab view. Definitely not the original motor. Definitely replaced. Doing more rides on this. Don't let this Tiara button fool you. One more ride. Is the original cup ones out here? No. Wow, these buttons are so weird. Turnbull. Ah, this was one of my best finds. I'm actually curious if he knows this is in here. Sucks that the call buttons were replaced, but who cares? The side's original. That's it.